guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal Emerald. Today I'm going to make a video about how I do my twist outs. I just finished my wash day routine. My hair has been in deep conditioner for 6 hours, just because I haven't done a deep condition in a while, but it actually did my hair really good. Like, I can actually see a little bit of my curl pattern, which I have not actually been able to see for some time. Well, actually, since growing my hair out natural. So I think I'm gonna start getting back into the habit of doing deep conditions. But in today's video, I'm going to show you my twist out method. This video is going to be a voiceover because right now it's bedtime, and even though I'm whispering, I'm probably speaking too loud already, and I'm gonna wake up the kids. So kick back, relax. I'm going to show you all the products that I'm using. I'm going to put this BB curl mask in my hair to start, and I'm going to be putting in the Mielle moisture, the Hawaiian ginger leave-in conditioner, and sealing it off with some coconut oil. All right, enjoy. Okay, so using my wide tooth comb, I start sectioning off my hair. So first going down the middle, and then I'll go down the sides to make sure I have 4 quadrants to start. I have really thick hair, so this is just the first step for me in sectioning off. After I put this first quadrant in a braid to make sure that it's clean and away from the other hair so I don't get tangled, I part off another section so I have 3 sections on each side. Once this is done, I am going to do the same thing to the other side. So as I'm sectioning off my hair, I don't want you to get worried that I'm just kind of throwing them in braids and not doing any detangling. This is really just to make sure that the hair is clean and out the way, and I will detangle my hair in the smaller sections because I have so much. It's just a lot easier to go through with a wide tooth comb. So starting from the bottom, working my way up the shaft of the hair, I'm detangling with my wide tooth comb. My hair is still wet and still has some conditioner in it. So now I am ready to put my BB curl mask on my hair. As you can see, I'm using a small amount. Like, you don't need to really saturate the hair, but you just want to make sure that it's coated evenly. So after I smooth it all over my hair, I go back in with my brush and make sure that the product gets all over as much as possible, working my way from the shaft, really from like the scalp all the way down to the ends, but really like loving up on the ends. And then I'll start taking out my sections. As you can see, it's like about an inch amount of hair. And I start going in with some really tight twists. Make sure that you twist all the way down, and then I give a little twirl on the end. That's really the key to a really good twist out, are your ends. So making sure that I give a nice tight twist and then kind of primp up with your thumb on the hair to make sure that you get a good curl. So again, twist up really, really tight. You see there's some additional product on my hair, and then you roll it up tight on the bottom. Okay, so we're approaching the last twist of this section. So once we do our ending, twist on the bottom, roll up really tight, primp up. So we have our curl. The next step is to add the Mielle leave-in conditioner, the Hawaiian ginger leave-in conditioner, to all of the twists at the same time. I don't like to put too much product at once, so I like to twist and then add the conditioner and let it set. And then we're gonna move on to the next section, and we're gonna detangle first. Remember, starting from the bottom and working your way up, because you don't want to rip your hair. You want to treat it really gently. It may not look like I'm actually treating it gently, but I promise you I am. Super detangled, nice and clear. The comb goes straight through. And yeah, now we're going to put our BB cream mask on the section and then start doing our twists. Just really quickly, I just want to say that the size of the twists that I'm doing are a bit smaller than you may see a lot of people do, but I really like my curls, my twist out to be super defined. So I find the smaller you make them, the more defined they are. But at the same time, I don't want to be up all night. So I feel like this is like a pretty happy medium. Like I get about 4 to 5 twists out of each section. So that's about 15 twists on each side. So if you find that you're doing more than that, then you probably have done it really small. So that's just something to keep in mind. So finishing off this section, adding my leave-in conditioner to all of the twists, making sure to put a little extra love on the bottom. As you can see, the twists are really juicy, a great size. They're all pretty much the same size, which I'm super happy about. So what I'm doing to one side, I'm going to do to the other. I just don't want this video to be too long, so I do a little magic there. But take a look at these twists. Like, they look so good. My hair was already starting to dry, so but I didn't have to add any more water to it, which I'm super pleased with. So we're going to seal all that juiciness with some coconut oil. Also, I like to grease my scalp. I don't know about you guys, but my scalp tends to be on the drier side. So when I seal my hair, I also make sure to go inside of the parts and put a little extra coconut oil in there. And I do that like every 2 days, especially when I work out and I sweat and stuff. Like I still want to make sure that I have some moisture on my scalp. Um, so we pour coconut oil on our hand and go in, especially giving a little extra love to the ends. Remember that they're the oldest part of your hair, so they need all the love and attention that you're willing to give them. But you know, we're all done. So go us. Now that it's time for bedtime, I like to put on my satin bonnet and I stuff my twists on both sides and get ready to go to sleep. We're all set. Night night. Good morning. Okay, so I did my twist last night. I woke up, clearly put my face on stuff and went out to work. So they are all dry. Really springy, super soft. And so I'm going to start taking them apart using my Pantene Gold Series Intense Hydrating Oil. It's argan oil and sulfate, paraben free, dye free by Pantene. I like really love this. It's like lightweight, makes it get shiny and soft. So here we go. All right. Got it. Y'all. All right. So it's not twist out. She's cute or not? She cute or not? So I'll probably just kind of like put it back a little bit just so she's like not in my face. But there you have it. This is my twist out. I hope you guys like my video. I hope you like my hair, girl. Um, that's it. I'm about to head out to work. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, write me a comment. Let me know if there are any other hairstyles you'd like to see. Once again, I'm Crystal Emerald, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.